Hello and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. So it's a few days before Christmas and I've got my fireplace, fake fireplace going on back there and no song. The LMS has only 2 or 3 songs for Christmas and I don't know any of them. So I got a song from my brother. He wrote this in 1987 for yours truly. And I want to share with you today.
Samoa LMS
Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care and God bless.